surprise, I found your new home. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 renovated bathrooms, a modern kitchen, 2 entertaining areas, 755 square metre block, and an awesome little cul-de-sac position. Anyway, let's check it out because there's lots to take in. You're gonna love this one. Wow, you even got your own stage. How awesome is this property? And what about that floor plan? Formal lounge, formal dining, family, and a rumpus. Anyway, if you want to have a look at it, Facebook me, email me, call me, happy to show you through, and virtual inspections, they're my specialty.